So hi my YouTube family. Right now I am in London. I got into University of Westminster. I came here for my masters in project management. I have completed my 10 days quarantine and today is the 10th day, so I can go out. Sorry, yesterday was the 10th day and today is the 11th day, so I can go out. I am staying in a studio apartment near the Wembley Stadium. You must be knowing about Wembley. Like tomorrow I'll show you my room tour. Now I'm planning to get my groceries from the Amazon Fresh, so I'll show you how the Amazon Fresh work over here. Yeah, so Amazon Fresh is just about 3 to 4 minutes walk. I'll show you the route and the Amazon Fresh also, and also how it works. So let's go. The outside temperature is around 10 degree I guess, and this jacket will work. Hope so. Let's see. Yeah, how does it work?
Okay, so are you on the website or the app?
App.
Okay, so if you click on your basket icon,
This?
the basket one, which is the third one along, that's
Okay.
it. You see fresh code right there at the top.
Okay.
It'll actually give you your QR code. So it's just wanting you to set a payment card.
Okay.
You might have one already saved that you want. You just click the one and click continue. And then just continue at the top once you have the one you want. Lovely, and then just do screen to screen on here.
So I just came back from the Amazon Fresh. You can check the video too. It was so easy. Like you have to just open your Amazon account. There will be an option like Fresh code. Here it is the code. You just scan in the gate in the entry, and you can enter to the supermarket, the Amazon Fresh supermarket, and the checkout was so easy. I got a message from Amazon. When you are done shopping, you can just leave the store. Later, we'll email you your receipt is available and charge your Amazon account. No queues, no checkout, no seriously. This is really great. So you just need to carry all the items and just walk out from the store. After 1 hour, you will get an email of your receipt, and the things you have got, they will deduct automatically from your bank account that is linked on Amazon. They have also created. Amazon claims that he created the world's most advanced shopping technology, so you never have to wait in a queue, which we call just walk out. Big thumbs up, Amazon. So I have got two Scottish salmon fillets by Amazon from the Amazon supermarket. Let's give it a try. I'll try to do it in an oven because oven baking is considered is the healthy way to cook fish. So let's see.